6 reasons why you should drink beet juice every day. Beets are awesome. Yes, and to be honest with you, I think that beets are one of the healthiest vegetables in the world. They're filling, sweet and wonderful. But can I ask you a simple question? Did you know that beets have tons of health benefits to them as well? First of all, beets are commonly used to relieve disorders like anemia. Beets are high in iron and are a great food to eat if you're menstruating. Even Hippocrates used beets as a healing plant. Many people around the world used beets to treat many different health problems, for centuries. Beets are loaded with iron and it has the highest content of iron, right after garlic. When it comes to iodine content, this vegetable is second to kale. Beets are loaded with many healthy nutrients and they can boost your metabolism as well. They also give your body potent antioxidants that are more common in red beets. And you'll be amazed when we tell you that beets are loaded with polyphenols and betalains. These prevent free radical damage and oxidative stress. Beets are loaded with B vitamins and PP, which strengthens capillary walls. You should also know that the super healthy vegetable has great mineral content. Potassium and folate protect heart, magnesium strengthens bones, iron and phosphorus stimulate energy, copper targets free radicals, and iodine participates in the biosynthesis of thyroid hormones. And remember, if beets aren't a regular part of your diet, then you should definitely include them because, as we said, they will provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification effects. These colorful vegetables also contain powerful nutrients that protect against heart disease, birth defects, and even certain cancers. Here are 6 reasons you should add beets to your diet. 1. Beets have anti-cancer properties. As we said, beets contain high amounts of phytonutrients. These compounds give its deep red color and its anti-cancer properties. A recent study has discovered that a beetroot extract can reduce the multi-organ tumor formations in multiple studies. And they've also studied the beetroot extract for use in treating pancreatic, breast and prostate cancers. The combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in beets makes them a likely candidate to reduce cancer risk. 2. Beets detox your liver. Yes, beets can help you cleanse your liver from all harmful toxins. A recent study has discovered that the nutrients found in beets can support the body's detoxification process. How this works? Well, beets are loaded with antioxidants, which help rid the body of waste and toxins, while strengthening the immune system. The betaine in beets helps the liver cells eliminate toxins. The pectin in beets clears the toxins that have been removed from the liver so they don't make their way back into the body, and the betalains in beets have high anti-inflammatory properties to encourage detoxification. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see, beets are amazing for your liver, which means that you should consume them every day. 3. Beets fight constipation. You should also know that beets are high in fiber, which means that they will support healthy bowel movements. According to the experts, adding beets to your diet keeps waste materials moving through the intestines at a healthy pace. And one more thing, beets are also a superfood for the colon. Studies have shown that beta-cyanin, a phytochemical compound in beets, can help fight colon cancer. Amazing, right? 4. Beets can reduce the risk of birth defects. These super healthy vegetables are loaded with vitamin C and fiber, along with potassium and manganese. These essential minerals are vital for healthy nerve and muscle function, along with healthy bones, kidneys, pancreas and liver. Beets also contain the folate, the B vitamin that can reduce the risk of birth defects. This is also a good reason why you should consume beets every day. 5. Beets lower your blood pressure. This is very important for you to know. The amazing beet juice can also help you lower your blood pressure levels in just a few hours. Study confirms. A recent study has revealed that drinking 1 glass of beet juice lowered participants' blood pressure by an average of 4 to 5 points. This can be attributed to the naturally occurring nitrates in beets, which are converted to nitric oxide in the body. This then relaxes and dilates the blood vessels to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. 6. Beets fight inflammation. First of all, you should know that many illnesses and chronic diseases begin with inflammation in the body. Well, yes, and betaine is a nutrient in beets that protects cells, proteins, and enzymes from environmental stress. It also works to fight inflammation and protect internal organs, which helps to prevent numerous chronic diseases. This means that you should consume beets every day. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.